Handy Andy back with another unboxing. We're looking at the TP-Link Tapo Pan Tilt AI Home Security Wi-Fi camera. That's right, this security camera has artificial intelligence built right into it. Allows you to track people if they're walking around in your house. They got pan and tilt. It can also detect pets. So let's go ahead and begin this unboxing to see what's inside. Okay, slide this out and get our first look. And it begins with, of course, a quick start guide. But what's a quick start guide without another quick start guide? Like, which one's quicker? I'm guessing this one's quicker because it's thinner, but I think it's just called it a start guide, not a quick start guide. I've seen this in other cameras. I'm going to have to read the manual to see what this is about, but this is like a little sticker that it comes with and some information. It does require power, so it does have its own separate power source with its own proprietary end. Well, not proprietary, but not USB-C is basically what I'm trying to say. Let's see what else it comes with. It looks like it comes with a plate. You can probably mount this onto any kind of a surface, even on a wall. Some screws and inserts in case you need it. Let's take a look at the camera itself. See how it looks and functions. Okay, wow. Oh, it looks got like a little privacy mode or something. You see, and there's the camera coming up right there. Again, that plate can go on top of it, but it's pretty simple. Looks like it's got a speaker in the back and, of course, the port. So, interesting. You know, I never really knew if I needed an indoor camera until I had a mouse in my house. Something like this would be great for that as well. So, I'm going to put it through the paces alongside two other cameras from TP-Link at the same time. Basically, I'm going to try to create like a home security system using 3 different cameras from this new Tapo line, and then we can check it out in the app to see how everything looks. This one with their AI features, of course, I'm going to have to try to test that as well, so you want to watch that review. But this concludes the unboxing of the Pan Tilt AI Home Wi-Fi security camera from Tapo. It's a TP-Link brand for cameras, 2K footage, so it should look good indoors, and it of course should because it's powered. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. We'll see you at the review of this camera alongside those other cameras from Tapo.